This national award-winning 62 Corvette pays tribute to its heritage by seating a cutting-edge V8 in a roster of competent mechanicals and wrapping everything in rich pigment that re-emphasizes already iconic lines. If you're ready to see the USA in a well-rounded Chevrolet, take a closer look at this sweet Pro Tour. Stripped all the way down to glass, this Roadster's curvaceous body was massaged back to life in the summer of 2011. Like most C1s, the car was originally assembled at GM's new for 1954 St. Louis manufacturing facility. And like most restored C1s, its fit and finish presents much better now than it did over 50 years ago. And today, layered in dynamic Porsche GT Silver, the car rolls as one very cool classic. Inside, you'll find a red-hot interior. Plump leather seats are comfortable and well-formed. The color key dash hangs rebuilt gauges between controls for air conditioning, a vintage Wonderbar radio, and a small rearview mirror. High-quality carpet makes a perfect plane for a factory-spec shifter, and a reduced diameter steering wheel spins a wrapped rim. It doesn't seem unnatural that this Roadster's classic hood veils a hot Chevrolet Performance LS 376. Rated at 480 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, that crate engine sends power through a Tremec 5-speed back to a Dana 44 with 350 gears. Thanks to the Corvette's virtually unmatched popularity, the market is full of great C1s. But this award-winning Roadster manages a near-perfect balance of road-going prowess and show-stopping aesthetics. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.